To color my wafer paper, I will apply dry petal dust on the shiny side. I wanted to use this Super Pearl Wet Indicate and touch of pink. This is Sicily Rose by the Sugar Art. Mixture will give me the perfect color for my petals. Now to cut my petals, I will take 3 sheets of wafer paper at the same time and cut it into strips roughly 2–2.5 inches wide and cut in like square rectangular shapes like this. And the easiest way to shape a petal is to hold your wafer paper at the corner and just square the other corners. So this way you will have as little waste as possible. To create a flower shape, I will take 5 petals first and my wafer paper glue. Apply a generous amount of wafer paper glue on the right side of my petals, all 5 of them, and I will start stacking them and assembling them together in a 5-petal flower shape like this, overlapping the last petal with the first to create my shape. And I will set them aside to fully dry before shaping.